I can't lie. I've been waiting for a blessing come my way. I know. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Sweet Life of Shavi. Yes, it is me. It is her in her most natural state. Anyways, let's just cut to the chase. Today I'm going to be doing a little simple edge tutorial. I was going to do a braided ponytail tutorial, but we can wait. So just keep up with me. Hit that bell and you'll see when I post that braided hair tutorial, okay? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how you like to do your edges in the comments and what's your favorite edge control in the comments. Okay, so without further ado, let's get this video rolling. Alright, so I went ahead and put my hair into a ponytail off camera. I used Eco Gel, as you can see. I almost dropped it to lay my hair. I don't really like to use the edge control to put my hair in a ponytail because it just adds way more product. So right here I slowed it down a little bit just so you can see like what I'm really doing to lay the edge and to make it neat and sleek. I brush my edges out before I do them most of the time, and then I put the edge control on there and I just brush it out and smooth it out. I use the comb side to just like clean up the edge look, like to give that one edge a more defined look so you can really see what's going on with the edges so it doesn't look like one big swoop. And yeah, basically I just speeded it up a little bit so you can just see the process. And I don't always lay my little sideburns like that. Sometimes I just put a little bit of gel and water on them and curl them up. But most of the time I just do that when I want a real like sleek, clean look. And at the top, yeah, you see that. And I went ahead and slowed it down one more time just so y'all can see. I was talking in the video and then I decided to just do a voiceover. So just bear with me. So you see how I'm just holding my finger and rubbing along with the edge just to make sure it's real smooth and sleeked out. And I just brush around the little pieces just to make it look clean. And once again, I'm using the comb side to just edge the edge up and make it look real nice and sleek. So yeah. And when I'm doing my edges, I put like the access edge control on the back of my hand just so it's easier to get to. I don't have to keep. Okay, here's the finishing touch. I just put it in a bun, put the bobby pins in it, and yeah. So thanks for watching and tuning in with me today. Okay. Period. Comment, like, subscribe, all that. Tell me what edge control you like to use because I told you my favorite. Boom, this is my favorite. I love it. It can't get no better than that for me. Also, I wanted to say this is a good edge control too. I got this from, I threw it. I got that from Dollar Tree. And it really does work. Like, it works on coarse hair too. My cousin put me on. She has coarse hair and it worked. But yeah. And if you don't know by now, I'm very clumsy. So, just welcome to my channel, baby. It's me. Straight cutthroat. Nothing else. My baby. Peace, love, and hair grease. I've been waiting for a blessing come.